Students, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss the examples of basidiomycetes. Now see, first an important example of basidiomycetes is rust. Okay, it is making a rusting pustules with spores. Means you will find a black color powder or can be either yellow color. You'll be finding and they are nothing, they are spores only. The genera which causes the rust is Puccinia. Okay, now Puccinia can have different species. For example, Puccinia graminis triticae is causing black rust of wheat. Puccinia glumerum or stiriformis is causing yellow rust of wheat. One is causing black rust, one is causing yellow rust. And Puccinia recondita is causing brown rust of wheat. So I think so all these three are clear to you. Is by the example Puccinia. Now see the next example. Smut. These are thick-walled, black-colored resting spores. They can be covered, okay, they can be the covered smuts or they can be loose smuts. Now spores will remain covered, so obviously we call it as covered, but if they are exposed, we call it as loose smut. Now Astralago hordae is causing the covered smut of barley. Astralago maydis causes the smut of corn. Astralago nuda tritica. Whenever tritica comes, it means it is for the wheat. And avena, Astralago avena is causing the smut of the oat. Clear? So the second disease of the basidiomycetes is a smut which is caused by the member genera that is known as Astralago. Now next is mushrooms. It can include edible also, it can include non-edibles and they belong to this agaricales. They are having basidiocarp which is umbrella-like. So you will find this way the umbrella-like basidiocarp is there under which gills will be there. That is why they are also known as gill fungus also. Okay. So edible ascocarp, right now I'm showing you edible ascocarp. It can include non-edible mushroom also. Okay, so edible mushroom example is your Agaricus bisporus, Agaricus campestris, Poverella wallacea that is known as paddy straw mushroom and Pleurotus osteoratus that is also edible. So these are the list of your edible basidiocarp or edible mushrooms. Now next is toadstool which is poisonous mushroom. Okay, toadstool is poisonous mushroom and it is making white spores. Now Amanita caesarea is also known as Caesar mushroom. Amanita caesarea was actually used by the, you can say, it was used in poisoning Roman Emperor Caesar. That is why the name is given caesarea. And this was PMT question which was asked in 2013. Okay, so please remember they gave the genera Amanita only. Second is Amanita phalloides, which is the name is general name is death cup. Agarica muscaria, general name is fly agaric. So three species of Amanita. Fourth is your Gymnomitra. Gymnomitra esculenta, which is actually carcinogen also. It can cause cancer. So poisonous mushrooms in the general, we call it as toadstools. And its important genera is Amanita. Now see, next is Armillaria, which is the largest fungus. Armillaria is including largest fungus and one important genera is Armillaria mellae, which is also known as honey mushroom. It is actually very important, please try to understand it. It is causing parasites in the dicot and in Gymnosperms conifers. So if it is an important serious parasite, we say it is a serious parasite, root parasite. So it has to send its root-like structure into the phloem. So root-like structure made by this fungus is known as rhizomorph. Rhizomorph is a root-like structure which is made by Armillaria to send its working virtual work as an hostoria to draw the nourishment from the phloem of these dicots and gymnosperms wood. Now see, next is your hallucinogen. Hallucinogen property is actually, you can say, the people speak कि we can see the sound. Instead of hearing the sound, they will say we can see the sound. Is it clear? And we can hear the presence of someone. Means you can't, they will, their imagination is going on. You can say in the simple language, they are imagining too high. So one fungus which is responsible for hallucinogen is Psilocybe mexicana, which is also known as sacred mushroom. So if you check till now, we discussed so many types of mushrooms. Okay, next example is puffballs, which is example is Lycoperdon oblongiosporum. Next example is your bracket fungus, which is Polyporus and Ganoderma. Ganoderma can make even the standing tree hollow. It grows so much on the, this is the one which is having the power to decompose lignin also. Predatory fungus is example is Dactylaria or Arthrobotratus, and stinghorn example is Phallus impeticus, which is also known as dead man's finger. I hope this will help you to learn all the examples of basidiomycetes which you will find in your competitive exam. My suggestion to you is you just make a note of all the examples in the videos which I have discussed. It will help you to learn easily. Thanks for watching.